Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix failed to follow on Bigo Live. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now for you to fix this problem, the first thing you need to do here is you first need to check your internet connection. Sometimes having a faulty internet connection or an unstable internet connection can cause this issue. So for example, if you're using your mobile data, make sure to switch over to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, there's still a few things here to do. So first things first, make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here if you're using Android, search for Bigo Live, and if you see an update button there, go ahead and click on it to update the latest version. Now once it's actually updated, go ahead and open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now if not, you need to clear your cache. In this case, look for the Bigo app here, press and hold on it, choose the app info option, and from here, choose the clear data at the bottom right. Now from here, click on clear cache, click on OK, and from here, restart your phone and open it up again and access Bigo Live and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.